Hello everyone. Today we are going to do one of the problem from your final accounts. You will find the question on page number 338, problem number 12. This question will come for 20 marks in your final examination. Let's see what the question is given here. Prepare Veena Enterprises final account for the year ended 31st December 2018. All the debit balances and credit balances has been mentioned here and having few adjustment on it. Let's see what are the adjustments. Clothing stock value, reserve for bad debts, depreciation on patents, outstanding rent, commission receivable, interest on capital, which means we are having adjustment on patents, rent, bad debts, commission receivable and interest on capital. Else all the entries we have to post. Apart from that, which are not having any adjustment, we have to post directly. Let's see how to solve this. First, opening stock we have to write to opening stock. How much opening stock is given? 9,000. So write directly 9,000. Purchases is given. So write to purchases 17,000. Returns is mentioned on the credit side 600 rupees, which is nothing but returns. 600 if you minus, you will come to know that 16,400. Yes. Debtors, we are having adjustment on debtors. Insurance 1,500 rupees. So no adjustment on insurance. Write directly to insurance 1,500. Wages to wages 1,600, 1,600. Next one is repairs, comes under profit and loss account debit side. To repairs 1,300. Audit fee comes under profit and loss account debit side. Audit fee is 1,200. Bad debts, so write to bad debts 1,000, profit and loss account debit side. Carriage comes under trading account debit side. Write on trading debit side to carriage 600. Next one is rent and taxes. To rent and taxes 2,200. Printing charges to printing charges 2,600. Patents, we are having adjustment on patents. Discount to discount given on debit side, right on debit side 500. Freight comes under trading account debit side 600. Furniture, we are not having any adjustment on furniture. Write directly in the asset furniture. How much furniture is given? 16,000 rupees. Speed post charges comes under profit and loss account debit side. To speed post charges 900. Machinery 40,000 given. Machinery 40,000. Legal charges 700. Profit and loss account debit side to legal charges 700. Credit side capital is given 1 lakh rupees. Capital amount always comes under inner column 1 lakh rupees. Leave some space and write all the items if comes under liabilities. Sales is given. Buy sales 25,000 is given. No returns is mentioned over here. Bills payable 3,000. Leave some space and write here bills payable. How much? 3,000. 3,000 rupees is the bills payable. Commission, leave some space for your gross profit and write by commission. How much commission is given? Actually we are having adjustment on commission. 800 rupees. So we have to write inner column. We'll write commission later on because we are having adjustment on it. So commission we'll write later. We have to write discount here by discount. Credit side 1500. If it is given on debit side, write on debit. Given on credit side, write on credit. If it is given on both sides, write on both sides according to the respective debit and credit balances. Bank overdraft is a liability. Bank overdraft is liability 5,000. Next is creditor 4,000. Creditors 4,000. Outstanding wages given in trial balance. So you have to write directly. Don't add to wages. Why? Because it is not given in adjustments. So you have to write directly in the liability side. Outstanding wages directly in the liabilities 2,600. Why? Because it is given in the trial balance. Adjustments we are having clothing stock. So write by clothing stock. How much? 8,300 rupees. 8,300 is the clothing stock. Write clothing stock here. Clothing stock 8,300. Next one is reserve for bad debts 5%. For that we need debtors. Debtor is 25,000. Debtors 25,000 minus reserve for bad debts at the rate of 5%. 25,000 5%. 5% you have to calculate. 5% of 25,000 means 5 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 250 into 5. 500. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12. 1250 is reserved for bad debts. Minus this 1250. So 23,750 is the amount now. Now show on the debit side of profit and loss account to reserve for bad debts at the rate of 5%, 1250. Next one is depreciation on patents 10%. Patents is an asset. How much? 20,000. Patents 20,000 minus depreciation at the rate of 10%, which means 2,000 minus 18,000. Now show depreciation on patents here. To depreciation on patents 2,000. Next, outstanding rent. Actually we have to write rent and taxes. That amount should be in inner column. Rent and taxes, because we are having adjustment on it. So to rent and taxes 2,200, because we are having adjustment on it. Now add outstanding. How much outstanding given? 600. Order column 2,800. Now outstanding rent. Outstanding rent is 600 given in the question. Commission receivable. Yes, first of all we have to write by commission. How much commission is given? 800. Add commission receivable. How much? 400. Total is 1200. If it is add, write on the same side, which is nothing but asset. Commission receivable. How much? 400 rupees. Interest on capital 6%. So capital is how much capital? 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 6% is nothing but 6,000. Let me check once. 1 lakh, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh into 6%, 0, 0, 0, zeros cancel. 1,000 into 6 is 6,000 is nothing but interest on capital. Add to capital, add interest on capital 6,000, 1 lakh 6,000 is the present capital. Now you have to write here to interest on capital, how much? 6,000. Anything else is there? Nothing is there. If you total this debit and credit, you will come to know that trading account credit side will be, trading account credit side is 32,500, trading account debit side will be 28,200. Now which one is greater? This one. So write here 32,500, 32,500. If you minus this from this, you will come to know the gross profit, which is nothing but 4,300. To gross profit carried down 4,300. Now brought down that gross profit by gross profit, by gross profit brought down 4,300. So now total of debit and total of credit. So profit and loss account debit side, profit and loss account credit side. Profit and loss account debit side is 21,750. This is 21,750, whereas credit side is 7,000. Now tell me which one is greater? 21,750. This side is greater. So write here 21,750, 21,750 minus this. So you will come to know net loss, which is 14,750, by net loss transfer to capital. How much? 14,750. How you will get this? By minus 7,000 from 21,750, because debit side amount is more and credit side amount is less. If this is the highest value, if you minus this total, then you will come to know the net loss. If it is the highest, then you will get net profit. If debit side of profit and loss account is highest, greater, 21,750 minus this 7,000, so then you will get net loss. This is the problem of net loss. So from this debit balance, if you minus this, you will get the net loss 14,750. Net loss minus from capital, less from capital, deducted from capital. So minus net loss, which is 14,750. 14,000, you write here 14,750. Let me check how much we will get. 1,06,000 minus 14,750. 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So 91,250. 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 10 minus 1, 9. 91,250 is the present capital now. 91,250. Nothing is there in the problem, just you have to calculate on both side of liabilities and assets. So the balance sheet will be 1,06,450. 106,450. 106,450. This is the total of this amount and also the total of liabilities. This is how you need to solve the net loss problem. What you have done, first of all, you have posted all the entries, then you have done the adjustments. In this problem, you come to know that you find profit and loss account debit side value is greater. From this total value 21,750, if you minus the total value of this is 7,000, profit and loss credit side. From debit, if you minus credit, you will come to know that 14,750 is the net loss. If profit and loss debit balance is more and profit and loss credit side balance is less, then you will get net loss, and that net loss is going to be minus from capital. Look at here, this is the capital, you have to add interest on capital 1,06,000. now net loss is 14,750 minus this 14,750, you will come to know 91,250. add all these outer column, you will get 1,06,450. add all these assets, you will come to know that 1,06,450 will be your answer. Thank you.